Shopping Kia Telluride? Compare it with Ford Explorer, America's all-time best-selling SUV. It has intelligent four-wheel drive with terrain management system. That's 7 modes to help handle virtually any kind of terrain. Explorer offers an easy entry second row and PowerFold seats in the third row. Telluride doesn't have either one. And it's the most spacious generation of Explorer ever. Explorer has more horsepower and torque than Telluride. It comes with Ford Co-Pilot360. That's 5 driver assist technologies. Again, all standard. Active Park Assist 2.0 takes the challenge out of parking with just the touch of a button. Telluride doesn't have it. Ford Explorer, the greatest exploration vehicle of all time.